Beats 314.
Alright, YouTube, need a little help here. I got my switch from the junkyard. Came out the Cadillac. On this switch I have blue wire. Like that's a gray wire, orange wire, black wire. So I got 4 wires coming off of this, right? That's off my switch. So trace this over. I got my black wire grounded. I got my gray wire going to that red wire, which I'm pretty sure is the power. Comes off the little junction box or connector, fuse connector right there. Now, with this here, I have nothing in my switch, right? Now, if I take this green and this purple, which is coming off of there, and keep in mind I do have these blue wires hooked up, I have this orange wire hooked up. When I connect this here to the power source, I'm getting something, right? I can get my sun screen to retract halfway. Well, it does that automatically, right? Now, I cannot get this sunscreen to close if I close the roof back. Well, there go the roof. The roof closed. Well, open the roof. Let me see. I'm tripping. Sunscreen come all the way open, right? Now, I cannot get this sunscreen to close. I figured out that this is the wire for the sunscreen. Only way I can get it to activate. I apologize, YouTube. Once again, I'm gonna pick off where I left. Only way I can get this sunscreen to close is if I touch this wire to the negative. And it actually closes automatically. So, if that's still hooked to the negative, right, I won't get anything out of my switch. Still lit up. Still illuminated, still lit up and everything. Take that off. I can get function. Now once that opens all the way up, I can close the sunroof. Everything is working properly. The vent are closed. It does its automatic thing like it's supposed to. But I can't get the sunscreen to close. Only way I can get the sunscreen to close, touch this on the negative. And it automatically takes itself on in. Somehow this configuration is looped. If y'all know anything about this, YouTube, anything, please let me know where I'm going wrong. I need y'all help, man. If I gotta sit here and cross these wires up till I get it right, I'm gonna keep on trying. But if anybody has any knowledge, man, please let me know. I'm gonna keep trying until I figure it out. Shit's kind of frustrating. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I thought it would be a way that I could get this sunscreen to come back without even opening the roof. But I don't know how. So, just if you know anything, man, y'all know anything about these electrical wires, your boy need help, man. Like I say, everything is functioning. Everything is functioning fine. Everything works. I don't know where I'm going wrong, though. What am I doing wrong, y'all? If you know anything that can help me, please comment, man. Help me out. This is out of a 2012 Cadillac CTS. It's got double motors, so I'm pretty sure one is for the sunscreen, one is for the roof. So if you know what I'm doing wrong with this configuration, man, please let me know something, man. Let me know something, because I'm pretty sure it's something I'm missing, and I know this is my problem. Whatever this wire is, because all I gotta do is touch the negative. All I gotta do is touch the negative, and it do what it's supposed to do. But I'm gonna try to figure it out. If you know something, let me know, YouTube, in a minute.